Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to password your computer. The main reason you may need to password your computer is to keep your documents safe and private so that no one can just bug into your computer without your knowledge. Okay, let's get started. Click on the Windows button, go to Settings, click on Accounts and click on Sign In option. Once you get to these options, you have to click on Password and then click on Add Password. Then you create a new password here and add an int. The int will help you to remember your password. I'm going to use a link. Okay, then click Next, click Finish, and that's exactly how you password your computer to keep your document safe and private. Now let's try to see how it works. If you lock your system, for instance, I just log off. Okay, now if you want to log in back, you'll be asked to provide your password, right? I will just type in my password. Okay, then and open. So you can see I just opened my system, I just logged on. If you find this video helpful, please share with friends, like and subscribe. You can drop a comment in the comment section below if you have any question or suggestion. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.